welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make baked zucchini lasagna. Yes, getting vegetarian for your meat-free Mondays. Alright, so we've got 3 large zucchini. It's about 3.5 pounds. You may have to hold your mandolin sideways sometimes, depending on what kind you have. And you want to use a 1/8 inch thick blade. That'll give you some thin slices, but be careful with your fingertips. You don't want to turn this into a non-vegetarian dish. After you slice the zucchini up, we're going to extract the moisture out of the slices. And we're going to accomplish this by using paper towels and kosher salt. And don't worry, this is not going to make it salty. I mean, it looks like it will, but it won't. Alright, we're going to prep the veggie stuffing mix. So we're going to dice up 1 white onion, followed by a package of portobello mushrooms. Yeah, get in there. Just like that. And we have 1 can of whole artichoke hearts. And what we're going to do is put it in a cast iron skillet, put it on medium temperature, and we're going to cook this until we get a lot of the moisture out, and that's going to be about 10 to 15 minutes. And if you stick your face in there, you can get a nice artichoke facial. Next, we're going to chop up some fresh basil and do some kind of lame chiffonade thing right here. So after 30 minutes, we're going to unwrap our zucchini strips. You can see how wet these paper towels are. And we're going to wipe the salt off as well, just like that. Next, we're going to add a layer of marinara sauce to a 12-inch skillet. Now, we highly recommend using this brand of marinara, but you don't need to be using an ice cream scoop. That's just kind of weird. Alright, so we've got some ricotta, and it's time to assemble. Okay, so we have a zucchini strip, and we're going to cover that with ricotta cheese. Next, you want to layer on top of that the onion artichoke mushroom stuffing. After that, apply some shredded cheese, and we have Parmesan Asiago Romano mix. Oh yeah, does that sound good? And following that, we're going to put some basil and then roll this up. So you want to start in the center of the pan and work your way out. So repeat the process, and as you might expect, this is going to take some time. And chances are you're going to be mindful and gentle through probably the 15th one, and then by the 38th one, you're just going to lose your mind. But with that said, it's all about product management. Make sure you have enough ricotta around to apply to all of these zucchini slices. And somehow man managed to pull that off. It's amazing. Amazing. And if you have a zucchini slice that's really thin, like we had there, just double down with another one. When you run out of zucchini, just take any of the remaining ingredients that you have and layer it on top of the zucchini rolls. And if you have any extra ricotta for whatever reason, do the same. Just put it on top of the zucchini rolls. Now we're going to carefully apply the rest of the marinara, because these things will just fall over, so you want to be very gentle with pouring this stuff on. And after you do this step, this is where you can totally freestyle with your cheese if you have any more. Maybe you could put on some provolone, maybe some mozzarella. Just break it up into little chunks and toss it on top. Now, man's going to add the remaining basil, but he should have done this after cooking. And this needs to bake for 45 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. Food porn flyover. Man, take a look at that. Does that look good? Oh yeah, you know the answer. Can you believe that's all veggies? Yeah, your kids won't believe it either. Just tell them it's spinach pasta. They'll eat it. Now, if you're Italian or you just think it's weird to use zucchini instead of pasta, you'll be surprised. This is really good. I mean, take a look at the ricotta right there. Look at the marinara. I mean, you know these flavors. You could taste them right now in your mouth. And the best part is you're not eating meat. You're taking a break from meat. You should take a break from meat. Not to say that you're not avoiding animal products, because obviously there's cheese, and this cheese probably came from a cow that lived its life in a shipping container. But that's the way the world is, and you're a consumer, so you can pick cheese that is, free range. So why don't you take a break from meat? You don't need to eat meat every day. Nobody does. Just give this a try. Eat some plants. Have a plant day. Time to set up a plate here. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, that's some good stuff right there. Oh yeah. You can't go wrong with this. You really can't. And if you're thinking, ooh, zucchini, gross, you just don't know. You don't know. So is this better? Is it healthier to have zucchini over pasta? That's the question, right? Well, yeah. Zucchini over pasta adds 12 more days to your life. And when you're in your late 80s and wetting your diaper, that's great. So if you made it this far in this video, hopefully you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to make it at home. And if you do, give us some feedback in the comments section. Let us know how it turned out. Let us know what you would change if you want to change anything. Check out our website, www.manthat'scooking.com. You can check out all of our recipes there. You can print them out if you need to. Visit us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We're on all that. Come say hi. Thanks for watching this video.